hello, welcome back to my channel. First open Google and you want to type tiger in that and click the go button. So you will get the page like this, and when scrolling up we can see view in 3D. Click on that and you will get like this. So you can make it rotate anywhere you want. You can also zoom in and out. For this we need Wi-Fi so that it will be very easy to use. See, it really roars. We can hear roaring of that. View in your space, you should click view in your space and just rotate your phone so that it will see there. See? Oh my god, I am really scared of that. Hope you are enjoying. Now we can search for any animal you love. Say golden retriever or retriever. You can zoom that, okay, zoom in and out. You can make it stand there, okay. See, it's really, what to say, it's original. You can fool anyone. It's barking to me. Net is too slow, it will be too difficult and too boring. I recommend you to my pause. It roars loudly. Oh my god. You can search for any animal, okay?
You can also record the video by clicking that circle.
I will show you. It's realistic, guys. You must try. It's not an app. There is no need of any space in your phone. There's no need of space in your phone. You must try this. See, this panda is really nice. It eats the bamboo stick originally, right? I am sure that you are loving this. Only thing you need is Wi-Fi so that it will be very speed. See, it's now it's loading slowly. That's why I told you need Wi-Fi. Mine's Wi-Fi, so I just shown mobile data to show you. So mobile data means like this, it will be loading. So if there is Wi-Fi, it will be good. See, guys, I really felt scared seeing this data. See what it's doing. You can see, okay, there is anything in that. Here, golden eagle. It flies. You can see the real sound of that, right? See this, guys, it's a snake there. Oh my god, I'm scared of that. See, nice one, right? can make it stand on the ground. See? So the sound is real. You can make your kid just fool with this. They will really love this, I am sure. Hope you are enjoying my video. I can't even talk because of this noise. See our favorite pet. And cat is also there on this. So let's make this sit on this chair.
I'm afraid to touch real cat, but now I can touch this.
Please sit in that chair. Sit. Oh my god, yeah. The chair is turning that side, so it's difficult. Oh my god. See, there is a duck. Oh my god, duck, come and sit here, duck. There are many animals and birds. Deer. There's a parrot. Oh my god. Guys, if you're loving this, give me a thumbs up now itself. See, this parrot is real. You can just fool of your friends. If you love this, please share it to your friends so that they will be getting more interested in this, right? During this time, we may be very bored house, so we can also make our life very entertained by using these silly things, right? I don't know what to say. It's really enjoying to me. See? It's not going to talk to us like that. Expressions. It's a tortoise. Turtle. Rabbit. When I was rabbit, but I can't keep this in my house. But I can't buy this app. So it's really interesting to try this again. As if you love this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification up to date. So please guys, please subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with interesting topics like this. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this. Share to your friends so that they will also, oh my god, they will also get entertained. I really love this. It's not an app, you don't need any space. So please try this. Just you can make your family full. And this is real sound. I can't even talk to you. I am now going, and stay safe, stay happy, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.